ready?
So welcome back again for another video, and for this video we will be hacking this TV remote, and we will turn this normal battery, this one, to lithium battery. So if ever your remote is low battery, you only need to charge. So let's go, let's start. So all we need is the lithium battery. This is 3.7 volts at 2000 milliamperes, and we need this. It's a type C lithium battery charger. It's TP4056. Also we need to solder, so you need to have a basic skill for soldering. Of course, we need to open your TV remote. This one is universal remote. You can use universal remote, or you can use the original remote of your TV. So you have to pry this to open. Since this is a cheap plastic, when I pried it to open this, the locking mechanism is damaged, so it's okay. So we will be putting the battery here. So the 2000 milliamp battery, lithium battery, can fit here, but we need to remove this. So the connection should be like this. The positive side will be here, soldered it here, and the negative side of the lithium battery should be soldered here. So, okay, type C. As you can see, it's working. The TP4056 lithium battery charger is working, so we'll be now putting it in here. So we will be removing this. So it's cheap plastic, so you can remove it easily. I'll be also removing this. On this part, it has bump. Since the battery is too big and it has bump here, I'll be using heat gun this and press this down, but this is optional, or you can still use this kind of battery, or you can buy a smaller battery and it will fit perfectly here. But I want my battery to last long, so I'll be using this 2000 milliamp battery. But the fitment is also good. Let me show you. See, the fitment is also good with this battery. See, the fitment is also good. Oh yeah, the fitment is also good. So you can just put tape here when you're done, and put tape on here, or you can put rubber. See, or you can also do this, just hit this and press this down, and it will fit nicely. See, fit nice. So it's really up to you. Since the battery wire is short, we'll be adding extension. So I only have yellow for red and black for black. See, so this is now the extension. Let's cut some slot here. See, slot for wires. Reroute the wires. So let's put super glue here so that our battery will not move. A glue stick so that our battery will not move. So we'll be putting it on here. So we'll making holes here. So we need to clean the melted part. You can use cutter like this one to clean the part. I'm done making holes here. So if we insert this, so the next thing we'll be doing is to put holes here for the type C. Need to clean this excess plastic. So we've cleaned the outside and we cleaned the inside, so there's no excess melted plastic. Test fit, and it will be like this. So the hole is a bit large, but it's still okay for me. So now we'll be gluing this on here. And arrange this. So it's now glued in place. So the rest is to solder this. This is from the battery. And the last part will be this one. So I will not remove this. It's up to you if you want to remove this, but for me I will not removing this. So let's put it back on here. So it fits perfectly fine. This wire is for the battery, so we'll cut this to size first. So we need to put soldering paste here. This one will be the battery positive, and this one the battery for negative. So the next thing to do is we will be putting wires on here. Before we proceed to the next step, let's test this first. As you can see, it's charging. It's working fine. So let's proceed to the next step. So let's put soldering paste here. Let's put some soldering iron. So yellow will be the positive. Let's put soldering paste on the tip. we'll be soldering the black on black and the red or the positive or yellow here. Okay. So see, it's working. So after that, we need to clean the melted part plastic so that we can close this properly. So it's working fine. See, so the last thing is to make a hole here so that if you're charging, you can see if it's fully charged or if it's charging. The wire's blocking the way, so we need to move the wires like that. And let's make a marker. It will be here, so we'll make a hole here. So let's turn off the light. See, you can see that it is charging. See, you can clearly see that it's charging. Let me show you that it is working fine. So this is the remote that we made earlier. See, so see the volume and power. So let's try to our another TV. This is the remote. So it's working. So see, it's working fine. 1 2, see, 3 3, 4 5 5, 4 5, 4 5. See, it's working fine. So this is the remote control hack that we made. So when it's charging, it will look like that. As you can see the red. See, I'll show you one. So if it's full charge, it turns blue. See, so in full charge, the lithium battery will, I think, will last 1 year or 2 years or even 3 years, provided that you have a 2000 milliamp batteries. It's just a guess. So there you go for the battery remote hack. So maybe we made this one a lithium battery. So I hope that you like this video, and if you like this video, please do click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for more DIY videos just like this one, key mapping videos, gaming tutorials, reviews, and other content. So that's all, and see you in my next video.
Get ready.